Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl BerryFae. In today's video we are going to be trying out, reviewing, testing out Brown Sugar Babe's body oils for the very first time. Y'all, I'm super excited. I've been eyeing Brown Sugar Babe for quite some time, and thanks to Rock Slay, my girl, putting me on, today is the day. I'm super excited. We're gonna be using them all over the body and giving our honest thoughts, reviews on all the smells, the fragrances, the notes, and what they're inspired by. So without further ado, let's get started. If it's your first time watching, hey y'all, what it do? Make sure you subscribe. Let's go. First up, Cherry Bomb. This is like one of the most popular ones in my opinion because I see it all over the place. This is what it looks like. So really quick, I'm gonna read off to you what it is inspired by. Cherry Bomb is Brown Sugar Babe's interpretation of Tom Ford Lost Cherry. Top notes, almond and black cherry. Middle notes, cherry plum, Turkish rose and jasmine. Base notes, tonka bean and vanilla and sandalwood. All right, let's see. Oh, they all have the thing on it. First you take the plastic off. I think I have to do that for all of them. I love the bottle size, cute. You could throw it in your bag. Let's do this. Just a little bit because we've got 5 different oils to try on. So it's very, very, ooh, wait a minute. I'm gonna need some different places on my body to apply these oils. I'm gonna be smelling like a snack because I have to put on 5 oils, y'all. But here is the Cherry Bomb. So far, I immediately can smell the vanilla. I immediately can smell the sandalwood. And I like this. It's literally like a dark cherry. Very, very dessert-like, but not too sweet. I really like this. And it just keeps changing. Now I can smell the tonka bean, the sandalwood. So for Lost Cherry, I'm going to give this a 10 out of 10. I absolutely love the texture of the oil. It's not too greasy. As you can see, it just adds a little bit of a sheen onto the body, not like grease. I love that. And the smell of this is really, really nice. It definitely smells like cherry ice cream, but not with the sweetness. I smell the vanilla. I smell the sandalwood. I really, really recommend this one. I can see why this one is always sold out. Let's move on to the next one. Next up, we have Bad and Bougie. It is a wonderful blend of champagne, juicy nectarine, and red currant. So we're gonna smell a lot of sweetness in this one, and I'm super excited. Let's go ahead and try her on. It's supposed to smell like champagne and juicy nectarine. So let's try that out. And immediately I can smell the juicy. This smells like when you have juicy fruit gum in your mouth for like 5 seconds. That's what it smells like, because you know juicy fruit gum don't last. But this is definitely very, very juicy. So if you're looking for a sweet fragrance, I definitely recommend Bad and Bougie because it's definitely going to give you that sweet aroma. And I definitely smell the nectar. I love nectarine, actually. Yeah, we're going to put this one on the leg, honey. Yeah. Let me put it all on my thighs. Yeah, this one's going to get you toe up. I like this smell. This is Bad and Bougie. Woo! Yes. We are loving this, honey. Next up, we have Sugar Plum. So Sugar Plum is Brown Sugar Babe's newest creation. It smells exactly how it sounds. Sugar Plum. It's a blend of plum, nectarines, orange apple, white musk, maple, and raspberry. A really sweet, intoxicating blend of fruity and woodsy notes. So if you like fruit and you like wood, yeah. Sugar Plum we're gonna put on our lower right leg just so we can, I'm gonna smell so good by the end of this video. All right. Ooh. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. That's sugary, all right. I smell the sugar. I smell the apples for sure. Get my feet too. Look at that. Let's do a comparison. How dry this left leg looks with no product and how moisturized this one is. So far, Bad and Bougie is my favorite. I love the way it smells. I love the vibe it gives, and it definitely gives that powerful scent that almost smells just like perfume. This one is really good, definitely sweet, definitely has the nectarine and the apples. However, so far Bad and Bougie is number one. Let's move on to the next one. I'm gonna give this a 7 out of 10. All right, so next up we have Vanilla Sky. All right, let's go ahead and try on Vanilla Sky. So Vanilla Sky is a great mixture of vanilla, rum, cocoa fragrance oils to make a wonderful aromatic trail of warm, inviting notes. Vanilla doesn't always have to be so vanilla. This lively combination with vanilla bean is, as a top note, is a crowd pleaser. Crowd pleaser, we're gonna see. I love vanilla fragrances because it just always smells so good and so clean. So here is Vanilla Sky. Whoa, that was a lot. Okay, I instantly do smell the vanilla bean. Okay, I could dig this one. If you're wearing a perfume that has vanilla in it, you want to put this on first because it just smells like a really nice dessert. Vanilla Sky, I'm going to give her a 8 out of 10. She definitely smells just like how she sounds. Vanilla Sky, light, airy vanilla. Still nobody's beating Bad and Bougie for me. All right, our last one is called Sweet Thing, okay? Here is the bottle, Sweet Thing. Ooh, I'm excited for this one. All right, so Sweet Thing is a combination of floral and fruity scents mixed with cotton candy, lemon, raspberry, strawberry fragrance oils. It is very distinct. The scent is a fan favorite, very intoxicating, but not overbearing. That is very important, that it is a statement, but not gonna make somebody cough. So I like that. Sweet Thing, cotton candy, lemon, raspberry, strawberry. Okay, let's see. I'm excited for this one. This probably would be neck and neck with Bad and Bougie for me, I'm pretty sure. Sweet Thing, we're gonna put that in the lower leg, left leg. Immediately smells the lemon. Immediately smell raspberry. And I smell the floral. I like that. Who doesn't love lemon and raspberries? I love both of those things. So this is Sweet Thing. Look at those ankles, child. Look at the nourishment. All right, you guys, so that is the end of the video. I'm gonna go ahead and rank them one last time so you guys can know which one I recommend you buying first if you're trying them out for the first time. So for me, absolutely first place goes to Bad and Bougie. I love this fragrance. It definitely smells just like it sounds, Bad and Bougie. Very pretty, very light, but also very, very... for me, this isn't a crowd pleaser for sure. I love Bad and Bougie. I think I'm gonna run out of this very, very quickly. Bad and Bougie. In second place, I'm gonna go ahead and put Sugar Plum. I loved Sugar Plum. I love the plum fragrance in here. I love that it is very sweet, but not like cake sweet. It's just a very nice fragrance, and I think I will be using this a lot with my fragrances that are more on the calmer side, because this gives me the same type of vibe as Cocoa Musk. I think I would definitely be pairing these two together a lot. So in second place, we have Sugar Plum. In third place, I'm going to put Cherry Bomb. I love the cherries in this. I actually really did enjoy this one a lot. However, the other two just stood out to me personally right now more. It'll change probably in a week or so, but as for right now, I'm gonna put the Cherry Bomb in third place. You're looking for a nice cherry fragrance to pair with your cherry perfumes, definitely check out Cherry Bomb. In fourth place, we're gonna put Sweet Thing. You know, it had all the lemon, the raspberry, the strawberry. Definitely gives dessert vibes. So if you have any dessert fragrances like Kayali's Eden Sparkling Lychee, these two will go together very well. So in fourth place, we're gonna put this. I loved it, but I just have to rank them. So, and in fifth place, but not for a bad reason, it's just my preference at this moment because I know it's going to change, I'm going to put Vanilla Sky. I love vanilla fragrances. However, I don't have many perfumes that have vanilla in it, so I just don't think I'm going to be grabbing this as much as I am the other ones, because the other oils smell very similar to some of the fragrances I have, and that's how I'm planning on wearing my oil. I'm going to wear it with the fragrance, the perfume that it smells most like. So in fifth place, I'm putting Vanilla Sky, only because I don't think I'm going to use it as much, but I'm going to use it because hello, we have it. So Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you check out the next video that is coming up. Be sure that you have subscribed, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.